Well, on to another job. Sunday afternoon. I do believe it's July the 13th. He called and said his unit's not cooling, and it has not been cooling since July the 2nd. He's been trying to get up with the guy that installed the outdoor unit. He cannot get up with him. It was a real old 20 or 30-year-old system outside. And only like maybe 6-year-old system on the inside. He thinks it's like a ream or rud or something inside, which was an old R22 system. And he brought a 2-year-old system from this guy. I can't remember exactly what he said he paid. I think he said something like just about $1,000 or so. And he's been checking around, and people have been telling him that he needs a hard start capacitor, or the guy didn't clean out the lines when he changed it over to the new kind of gas. About somebody told him that it can make the system gel up and mess up the compressor and all that. So he's been getting information from different people. So he's at the point where he has pretty much exhausted all his options. So he's calling us and see if we can go out there and find out exactly what's wrong. So we'll find out when we get there whether or not all the information he gave us is correct or not. But we will find out exactly what he has and what's going on when we get there.
Call Sue. I'm with the air conditioning man. I'm with the air conditioner guy. I have to go call Sue. So is